Hello, welcome to the channel Little Kiddies. The future belongs to those who believe in their beauty of their dreams. Means you have to dream before your dreams come true. If your child says that my dream is to become this, or I want to become a pilot or engineer, so you should believe in them. You should not tell them that you will not able to do this, or you can't do this, or it is too difficult for you. Tell them that we are with you to achieve the goal. Today we are going to do 4 activities that you can easily do at home. So let's start. Take a drawing paper and draw zigzag line like this. Tell your child to place the button on the zigzag line. Picking up the tiny buttons with fingers will help to develop pincer grip to hold a crayon. Second activity is pipe cleaner colander. They have to put pipe cleaner through the holes of the colander. This activity will encourage right hand movement and higher level of eye-hand coordination. Third activity is picking up the plastic stick and placing in the bottle. Bottle has 2 openings. One side there are 3 small holes where the stick can be inserted, and other side have a giant opening for kids have might harder time for placing sticks in a smaller hole. I like this activity because there is 2 hand coordination as well as eye hand coordination. Fourth activity is what I call feeding a bunny. All you need for this activity are some pom-poms and white plastic pellet and twister. Place the pom-pom in the pellet, and with the help of the twister they have to hold or pick up the pom-poms and feed the bunny like this. They have to pick up 1 pom-pom at a time and feed the bunny. They will enjoy this activity. After this activity, even you can take small pom-poms and place it in the pellet and do the same. This activity will help your child to strengthen their hand and visual motor skills. Do these 4 activities and tell me your experience in the comments below. Bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.